Tech Sundial is a science and technology demonstration center that has a Sundial icon. The name of this museum is an acronym. The word Puspa is short for Pusat Peragaan Ilmu Pengetahuan dan Teknologi, while the word Sundial means Jam Matahari in bahasa Indonesia. So, we from Group 4 from Class 1C Chemical Engineering will explore this museum. Let's get started! Every wheel have equal mass but with different mass distribution. The wheel with mass distribution close to the center will roll faster than the wheel with mass distribution close to the edge. We can also see this phenomenon in an ice skating dancer. If they spin themselves with hands widely open, then they retract their hands close to their body, they will spin faster. Do every 5 grade same sound? A long tube will amplify low-pitched, low-frequency sounds, while a short tube will amplify high-pitched, high-frequency sounds. This is because the room is filled with sounds of all different pitches. Each tube responds to sounds of one specific frequency.
Ada suara apa?
Pin screen is a screen made up of thousands of pins in tiny holes. Pin screen utilizes a screen filled with moving pins, which can be moved in or out by pressing an object against the screen. The screen is pressed from the side so that the pins cast shadow.
Rotate chair. The only factor the wheel is affected by gravity is when the wheel is spinning slowly around the rope. The spinning wheel is very stable and refuses to fall to a horizontal position. Physicists call this the precision of rotational motion. The reason the bicycle wheel does not fall when spinning is because it has angular momentum, and the object that is spinning very stably will resist changing direction. This can explain why a frisbee stays flat when thrown, a yo-yo stays spinning straight up, and a ball that is kicked spin towards the goal. Confrontation mirror. The way this tool works is when the side of your windshield is brightly lit, the reflected image of your own face will be bright and more visible. When the other side of the glass is brightly lit, the reflection of your friend's face will be bright and more visible. This is because there is a very thin layer chromium attached to the glass. This metal layer reflects some light, but allows the same amount of light to pass through the metal layer.
This tool was held with a unique and creative exhibition that combines science with art or music. It uses infrared sensors as the strings. As we move our fingers, the sensors detect the change and then create sound.
Pendulum swing. A pendulum has a natural swing period that depends on the length of the string or the distance of the weight from the hanging point. If there are two pendulums of the same length and their hanging points are connected, then when one pendulum moves, the other will follow. This phenomenon is also called. Have you ever wondered how Columbus discovered the Americas and Marco Polo traveled around the world? They were able to sail the vastness of the ocean in sailing ships that they skippered. Would you like to know how they control the skipper's sailor? This is how ships sail the seas.
Called a human gyroscope, it offers a rare opportunity for us to experience how aspiring pilots and astronauts are tested for endurance. And to examine the rate, you must be taller than 150 cm and weigh less than 70 kg. Also remove all items from your pockets, remove your hat and goggles, and follow the safety instruction of the guide. Gyroscope applications in everyday life are in spinning tops, used as sensor in cell phones, airplanes, and satellites in space, such as the ISS and Hubble Space Telescope.
Solar cell. When the lamp is on, the solar cell will generate electricity to spin the CD. When we turn off the lamp, the CD will stop spinning. In the future, solar panels may become an alternative for energy generator because it's environmentally friendly and nearly limitless.
Kita masuk.
The image produced by each mirror will be reflected by other mirrors.
Bisa cukup.
An image thus formed will be reflected subsequently, so the infinite number images are formed.
Hand battery is a interesting teaching aid. With this, visitors can analyze the presence of electrolyte in the human body in the form of sweat. If the palms of both hands are pressed aluminium and copper metal, there will be a safe enough magnet needle. A floating ball is a prop that can float in the air because the pressure of the pipe is lower than the outside air, so the ball can float. This exhibit shows Newton's second law of motion. the track is designed to give the ball more acceleration.
3.
The wave V1 gives more acceleration.
Kurang barang.
Ini namanya pas pemain manjur, cara bekerjanya lama di bahasa
Fountain basin. This prop consists of a golden basin that is filled with water and has a flow system or a small pump to circulate the water, creating a fountain effect. The way it works is by wetting the palm of your hand with water, then rubbing it on the side of the container until water splashes emerge from the basin.
Ini harusnya sebetulnya bukan sebuah gedung, tapi ini tadinya mau dijadikan sebagai gate atau gerbang. Ya, gerbang untuk ya pas nanti masuk gerbang ada gerbangnya atau gapura. Cuman ya satu dan lain hal jadilah gedung seperti ini yaitu pusat bandara. Karena kalian pasti mempertanyakan kenapa ini di tengah jalan. Itu sejarahnya tadinya mau ini cuma jadinya gedung pusat bandara.
Geraknya.
Mereka emang jatuh.
Di sini harusnya kelihatannya. Ayo. Iya, wih keren. Ayo.